next question আমাক কি দিছে Jalna dry port okay now ইয়াৰ আগত যেটো মই পঢ়াইছিলো তাত মই কৈছিলো dry port কি হয় right বুজি পালা তো again it is related to a dry port now ইয়াত কি কৈছে Jalna dry port inaugurated in March 2024 ত inaugurate কৰা হৈছিল তো কি কৈছে is strategically significant it is strategically significant because কিয় আমাৰ strategically significant কৈছে যে প্ৰথম কি কৈছে আমাক it is located in Maharashtra near the Delhi Mumbai industrial corridor okay second আমাক কি কৈছে it is India's first dry port to handle only agricultural commodities third it is situated in the northeastern region of India got it next it is exclusively operated by foreign company okay so if you are not aware of this port Jalna dry port so your answer ki hoy answer to ki hoy a it is located in Maharashtra okay this Jalna dry port kod ase amar Maharashtra ase first aru kod ase it is near the amar jitu Delhi Mumbai industrial corridor ase yar usorote ase a port to so yar karone ki hobo amar economic activity a port to a significant role play koribo amar Delhi Mumbai economic corridor thik ase buji pala